So you notice there's enough play when these are loosened off. There's enough play for there to be metal to metal, and with those bolts being loose, it's just ever so slight vibration. It's making that metal to metal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it all the way this way, that way, and tighten it down, because there's a little peg there that hits on the bottom side there. So I'm going to pull it all the way to the left and then tighten it down, and then tighten that sucker down too, where it won't move. And I think right there it was the ticking. It's not exactly the same sound now because it's pretty loose now, but that's most likely it right there. But we'll find out after I tighten it down and put it all together.